Everyone, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. I'm super excited for today's video. It's gonna be amazing. I've been wanting to do this to my car for such a long time, and today's the day it finally happened. If you saw the title of the video, you already probably know what's gonna happen, but today is the Burble Tune day. Now I know there's a lot of people who like this, a lot of people who don't. It's kind of a controversial thing, but me personally, I think it's going to be a great addition to the car, and I'm super excited. Without further ado though, we are late and we're going to head to the tuning shop. Boys, we made it. Turbo Lab. If you ever need your car tuned, this is the place to go. This is the last time she won't be Burble tuned. I'm so excited. Also, shout out. The STI is now mobile branding for the channel. Also, if you haven't, follow me on Instagram, Owen Hodges 426. All the behind the scenes, everything you don't see normally. But yeah, it's super fun. But yeah, I'm super excited. We're about to get just all out the back of the car. It'll be fun. Alrighty, boys. Me and Hiram. This is my chauffeur for the next however long till we pick up the car. But we made a quick pit stop. Got Krispy Kreme. Only the best donuts in the world. So yeah, it's gonna be fun. Then we got school, and then we got Burble time. We got the donut haul. Got a little donut like bites.
Actually,
what'd you get?
I got a raspberry filled glaze and a strawberry milk.
Heck
straight
yeah.
from the pink cow.
Heck yeah. Boys, we're done with class. On the road, we're moving. I'm nervous, I'm excited. I don't want the car to blow up, truthfully, but I think it'll be fine. It's a built motor, so we should be good. And Hiram is.
We're up to temp, bro.
We're up to temp.
See, look at that.
I don't believe
The
it.
temperature gauge, it's empty.
Yeah, VTech coming in clutch. T-minus 30 minutes, less than 30 minutes. I'm shaking. I'm actually shaking. It's exciting, but it's gonna be a party. It's gonna be a party. Boys, there she is. There's the car. We're getting gas right now. Then we'll be back though, but there she is. All burbled already. I don't even know, but I'm excited. I'm so excited. But yeah, Hiram's running off like 5 miles of range, so we gotta get some fuel first, and then we'll be chilling. Okay, guys, there's the real STI though. My baby. I'm so excited. She's all Burble tuned, baby. Oh my gosh. I'm actually so excited. Heck yeah. Okay, I'm gonna go get the keys and then we'll start this baby and go for a drive. Alrighty, boys. We picked up the car. Heck yeah. Only thing I don't like, it ended up being $300 more than I thought, but it's alright. I still think it's gonna be worth it, and we're gonna go home, meet some friends, and then burble the heck out of this thing. It's so amazing with the access port. I can just go into the settings, reflash the ECU, and then I can either have no pop or pop, which is super nice because I do still want my car to be somewhat reliable, but I want it to be fun, I want it to pop. So thank you, Turbo Lab, for doing that. It's super awesome, and I love my tune. Well, guys, Hiram, you were following me. How was it?
Dude, it's sick.
When I said I wanted
loud.
an extreme Burble tune, I don't know what I got myself into. It's wild. I don't even know what to like say. It's literally crazy.
So loud, bro.
Dude, heck yes. This thing is amazing. Well guys, we're taking a break from the pops. Hiram's practicing his driving. We're just playing some Fortnite while we wait. We have Braxton, Tommy, and Brady. Alrighty boys, this is Brady's first time here in the car. Gonna go for a quick drive. This'll be fun!
Chill. I'll have to leave by like 6.
Dude, it's just like
like owning his farts, dude. Dude, that's so nice. That's crazy. Poppity pop pop.
Put the sensor on the wheels.
That's right, boys. Owen Hodges 45.6.
Alrighty, boys, this is an unexpected segment in the video, but one I'm super excited for. We got snow. Heck yeah, boys, we got snow. And it is enough for drifting. So we're gonna take the STI, get this sucker warmed up, head to the church parking lot just down the street, and have some fun. Alrighty, boys, traction control off. Heck yeah, boys. As I was saying, that was amazing. Subaru's got some nice snow marks now, which I love. I love to see that. Snow all over the mud flaps, snow on the wheels. Good day. Snow on the windows. Yeah, that was fun. Well, guys, thanks for watching today's video. I think that's going to end it for today, but stay tuned. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.